guys, this is our project for today for last summer 2024. A mini table in the living room. Okay, so we put now in the direct to the sun, so it's easy to dry because this is a quick pass dry only. So just click the button and then notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel and subscribe. That's only the hours of tutorial how to make money for your stuff after restoring the paint or fix it before you sell it in online platform. So this is all I can share to you based on my experience and knowledge how to paint and how to make a business in every summer or winter, fall or spring. So this is all I can share to you. Hope you like this video. So because we need to rush this, I have lots of projects lined up for online selling after fixing, restoring, painting, and assembling for a new design and style of my collection 2025 table collection of the year. Okay, so that's all for now. So subscribe and click the button for notification bell for upcoming latest video for this week. So see you guys.